One of the biggest problems with GIS is outdated data. So it is very common to have data sets like this. This is Maine woods and public roads. It's been on our server since we don't even know when. That's the problem. We don't know who made it. We don't know where it came from. We don't know when it was last updated. But we do have a 2015 air photo which gives us a pretty good idea of what exists on the ground now. So here we have a road. We can use our identify tool to get some information about that road. We don't get much, just a bunch of numbers, ID, length, that kind of thing. No road name, nothing useful like that. It does have a class 4, meaning it's not a major road, but it's fairly important. It's not a class 6. But if we zoom in on this air photo, we can see that this is just a little dirt track through a farmer's field, and there's a nice brand new straight as an arrow Irving Road sitting right here next to it. So let's go through how to update this line. Once this computer gets done thinking. Thank you. So first we need to begin editing this layer. Right click, edit features, start editing. Now this layer here, or this feature within the layer, is obviously out of date. We are not going to drive through this farmer's field. Right click, delete. So now we still have this junction that's probably out of date, but we're not worried about that right now. We're just worried about correcting this route from point A to point B. So now we go create features. If we don't have this little sidebar here, we can go editor, editing windows, create features. And we want to create a feature in Roads WGS 1984 Project 1, which we recently projected to UTM 19 North. We want to create a line that is class 4, the same class as this one used to be. We want to create a line. We want to begin from this node right here, and we have snapping turned on, so that can work. Click once to start. Click to create a vertex, and in so doing create a line. When you get to the road feature here, double click to finish. Editor, stop editing. Yes, I want to save my edits. Now we have updated this roads layer to reflect the current situation on the ground. This old dirt track through the farmer's field is no longer going to be used for navigation, of course. Now we have a nice new road that we'll use to get into the Carter Brook Tote Road.